Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80244018. So start settings. Now here troubleshoot other troubleshooters. Now here click on Windows Update. So run troubleshooter. Follow suggestions which you see in this screen. Then close it and click on Start. Type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Run as administrator. Now type sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Complete this scanning, and once you successfully complete this scanning, guys, you can fix and resolve Windows Update error code 0x8202444018. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.